Hi everyone, welcome to Nefish TV. Here's a delicious one-pot meal that's perfect for a cozy night in. With some vegetable oil, saute lightly 1 finely cut onion and 4 cut long green peppers. Add 300 grams of cut chicken breast and cook until boil dry. Then add 2 cut eggplants and continue cooking until they soften. Later add 4 diced tomatoes and cook until they boil dry. Season with salt and red pepper flakes. Sprinkle generously with grated mozzarella cheese and close the lid. After the mozzarella melts, take the pan off the stove top. One pot chicken and eggplant with mozzarella is ready to serve. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!